There is a new way of interpreting design, one that does not impose itself but reveals itself in the details. Living now, an evolving icon. New premium finishes, advanced fittings, and intuitive, customizable technological interfaces enhance the living experience, enriching every space with character and functionality. The three iconic colors are complemented by new, high-quality finishes with a metallic effect. Every element speaks the same chromatic language. With the InWall version, the entire electrical system blends into the wall, becoming an architectural element in its own right, creating seamless surfaces and a minimalist aesthetic. With Living Now, every space becomes connected and customizable, adapting to your needs thanks to new user experiences. Imagine the comfort of a system that monitors the room temperature and adjusts it according to your preferences. Imagine being able to manage different scenarios with a simple voice command.
Alexa, relax scenario.
Or without even touching the control. And you can also customize the interfaces, choosing the icons or the text. Living Now always features the most advanced technologies, with Netatmo, My Home, and Connex. Living Now, signature of style.